On the previous turn, boys have really given very good response when I have given you the sums related to
Divya, hold
the
your laptop, please.
cross multiplication. Who is top? Who is that, Padri? Whose mic is on? Devansh Trivedi. Devansh, just put off your mic, as well as Shreyansh Mishra. Uh, okay, so now let us start with the word problems today. Word problems on simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Now, while solving the word problems based on simultaneous linear equations, okay, what you have to do, you have to read the questions carefully and try to frame the equation in one or two variables or three variables as per the requirement of the question and your compatibility. That you feel easy. How to frame the equation? Just read it properly. Okay. And today I'm going to explain you this with the help of examples. Few examples like question number one I've taken. How you can frame. Few questions I will explain and few questions I will give you to do just now so that the thing should be clear. Like the first question is of the two numbers. Okay, 4 times the smaller one is less than 3 times the larger one by 6. Also, the sum of the numbers is larger than 6 times their difference by 5. Find the numbers. So what I have done over here, let the two numbers be x and y. And over here I have assumed that x is greater than y. Because in the question it is saying that 4 times the smaller one. Okay, that means one number you have to choose is small and one number you have to choose the bigger one. So I have chosen that suppose the two numbers are x and y where x is greater than y. Now, what the first statement is saying, according to the first statement, what the statement is that 4 times the smaller one. That means 4y is less than. So I have written before 4y, I have written minus sign. Is less than 3 times the larger one. 3 times means 3 into larger one is what? X. So 3x by 6 means is equal to 6. Okay. Have you understood how I have framed this equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also the sum of the numbers is larger than 6 times their difference by 5. Okay. So sum of the numbers means x plus y is larger than, if you have to find that larger than, then that means you have to find the difference. Okay, larger than 6 times their difference. So minus 6 difference is x minus y, because x is greater, so we will write x first, x minus y. So according to question, what is the second equation? X plus y minus 6 times x minus y equals to 5. On simplifying it, what will we get? We will get minus 5x plus 7y equals to 5. This is the second equation. Okay, this is the second equation. Now, first equation which we have got as per the instructions given, 3x minus 4y equals to 6, and second equation is minus 5x plus 7y equal to 5. So I have multiplied the second equation by 3. Okay, why? Just to make the x coefficient equal. So you will get minus 15x, okay, plus 21y equals to 15. Because when I will multiply the second equation both the sides by 3, it is very clear that 3 into 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. So this is the, suppose the third equation, and similarly the first equation I have multiplied by 5. Why I am doing so? Just to equate the coefficients of x. Okay, so 15x minus 20y equals to 30. Okay, and when we will add the third and fourth equation, then plus 15x and minus 15x will be cancelled, and 21y minus 20y is equal to y, and on the right hand side 15 plus 30 will be 45. So we have got one number as 45. Now you can substitute this value of y in any of the equations, either equation number 1 or equation number 2. Like I have substituted this value in equation number 1. So I have got 3x minus 4 into 45, because value of y is 45, is equal to 6. And after simplifying, I got the value of x as 62. Okay, so x is one number, y is another number, whose values are 62 and 45. So required numbers are 62 and 45. Have you all understood properly? Yes,
Yes,
boys?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Aditya Pratap Singh.
Yes.
What is your problem, beta? No problem. Okay, good. Now, let us discuss one more question, okay, that I have taken from your book. Okay. The first question was also from your textbook only. A number consists of two digits, the difference of whose digits is 5. If 8 times the number is equal to 3 times the number obtained by reversing the digits, find the number. Okay. So over here, I just want to tell you that in the book, they have given you one answer only, but there is a possibility of two numbers. So always remember that this is the thing which was lacking in the book. Okay, whenever it is given that the difference of whose digits is 5, so you can take any one digit as the greater one and any other digit as the smaller one. Okay, like I have shown you in both the ways. Like I have taken, you already know that two-digit number, okay, is written generally by 10x plus y. Okay, like if I have to write 72, suppose, okay, 72. So 72, what is the place value of 7? Tens. Okay, and what is the place value of 2? Ones. So 72 can be written as 10 into 7 plus 2. Okay, so 10 into 7 plus 2 is the number. 10 into 7 plus 2, that is 72, is the number, where 7 and 2 are the digits. So in the similar manner, any two-digit number which is unknown is taken in the form 10x plus y. Okay, where I have taken x, suppose x is greater than y. Suppose x is greater than y, then I have proceeded according to question. What was the question? That difference of whose digits is 5. Because I have taken x greater than y, so I have written x minus y is equal to 5. This is the first question, equation. Okay. Now, what the question says afterwards, that if 8 times the number, 8 times the number means 8 into 10x plus y. Number is 10x plus y, and x and y are the digits. So 8 times the number means 8 into 10x plus y is equal to 3 times the number obtained by reversing the digits. Is equal to, I've written is equal to sign 3 times. 3 into number obtained by reversing the digits means the digits will be interchanged. Okay, in place of x, y will come, and in place of y, x will come. That means the number with the reverse digit is 10y plus x. Okay, so after simplifying, you will get 80x plus 8y is equal to 30y plus 3x. Okay, and when you will simplify, you will get the equation as 77x minus 22y equal to 0. Okay, this is the second equation which we have got. Now, till now, it is clear to everybody?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, first equation was x minus y is equal to 5. And second equation is 77x minus 22y equal to 0. Okay. Now, Now, if you see the first equation was x minus y is equal to 5 and 77x minus 22y equal to 0. Okay, this is the second equation. So first equation I have multiplied by 22 just in order to make the coefficient of y equal. So 22 into x minus y is equal to 5 into 22, which after multiplying both the sides by 22, you will get 22x minus 22y equal to 110, and the second equation was 70 and the second equation was already 77x minus 22y equal to 0. So on adding the second and third equation which I have written, you will get this minus 22y and plus 22y will be cancelled, and you will get minus 55x is equal to 110. So x is equal to minus 110 upon 55, which will give you x is equal to minus 2. Okay, have you understood this, Babali boys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I substitute this value of x in equation number 1, that means what was the equation number 1? X minus y is equal to 5. So I have written this value of x in equation number 1. So minus 2 minus y is equal to 5. So you will get the value of y as minus 7. You will get value of y as minus 7. Okay, but you have to find the required number. You have to find the number. Actually, it should be you have to find the numbers. The question should be you have to find the numbers, but they have written incomplete. They have written only find the number. So according to me, required number is, if I have taken x is greater than y, then required number is 10x plus y. That is 10 into minus 2 plus y means plus minus 7. So number will be minus 27. Okay, because it is mentioned the difference of whose digit is 5. So when I have taken x is greater than y, then I am getting the required number as minus 27. In order to get, see, sidewise I have shown you the solution that in order to get the positive value, suppose over here I have told you that there is a fallacy in the question, that they have written only to find the number. Okay, it should be numbers. So I have found the second number also in order to get the positive value. Okay, I have taken over here, suppose y is greater than x, then what will be the first equation in this case? Y minus x is equal to 5. Okay, according to 8, the second equation will be, the first equation will be y minus x is equal to 5. And the second equation will remain unaltered because it is not, it is just saying that 8 times the number is equal to 3 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. So second equation will be the same, 77x minus 22y equal to 0. Okay, so first equation in this case, y minus x is equal to 5. Second equation is 77x minus 22y equal to 0. So I have multiplied first equation by 77. Okay, so you will get 77y minus 77x is equal to, when you will multiply 5 into 77, you will get 385. So I have added the second and third equation. Now, what is the second equation? 77x minus 22y equal to 0. And the third equation is 77y minus 77x is equal to 385. So minus 77x and plus 77x will be cancelled. You will get 55y is equal to 385. So you will get y is equal to 5. And when you will substitute this value of y in equation number 1, okay, so you will get the value of x as 2. So required number will be 10x plus y, that is 10 into 2 plus 7, that is 27. Okay, so in the question, just remember, like this answer was given plus 27 only in the book also. There are two possibilities. So if you will write only 27 in the exam, it will be considered as half of the answer correct. So you will get, suppose the question is of 4 marks, so you will be awarded with only 2 marks. Okay, so boys, please be very careful. Whenever the word is written, find the difference of the digits is 5. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful. Okay, you have to show both the cases. Is it clear to everybody, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah.
so how did
Yes.
you
Who
get
is this?
22 into x minus y? So, Harshit.
Huh?
So,
22
Harshit.
into. I have just but I have multiplied the first equation by 22, just in order to equate the coefficient of what? Y in the first case. In the
Yes, sir.
first case, if you go through, okay, have you got it or not? Just I'm
Yes,
showing the
sir.
screen properly, okay, so that it will be clear. Okay, now it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the important thing which I told you just now, boys? Anybody can tell me?
So that in
Then we
such
have to
cases,
get
sir,
the
we have to show both the cases. In negative
One
also,
at
sir,
a
and in
time,
positive.
just one at a time. Who is that, by the way? Just a minute. Parth. Who is that?
Yes,
Parth
sir.
Param.
It's a Parth Pandey.
Acha, Parth Pandey. Okay, Parth Pandey. Just you are in which section, beta?
So 9C.
C.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So just tell me what is the important thing which I told just now, beta?
So that in such questions, sir, we have to give both cases in which one in which y is greater than x and one in which x is greater than y.
Correct. And this was the fallacy in the question. It was incomplete. They have written only to find the number. Actually, it should be find the numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you understood or not? Very good, beta.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, coming to one more question. Like I have given you the third question. 6 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times his son's age. And 3 years ago, he was 9 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay. So you have already done these type of questions earlier also. So what I have done, I've taken let the present age of man is equal to x years, let the present age of son is equal to y years. So I've written in the form of chart that present age of man and son, x and y. And according to question, what they're saying in the first line, that 6 years hence means 6 years after 6 years. Hence means afterwards. So 6 years hence, man's age will be 3 times his son's age. So after 6 years, what will be the ages of man and son? X plus 6 is the age of man, and y plus 6 will be the age of son. Okay. So according to question, what the question says, that after 6 years, man's age, that means x plus 6 is 3 times his, will be 3 times his son's age, means 3 into y plus 6. Okay. So when you will simplify, you will get the first equation as x minus 3y, okay, is equal to 12. X minus 3y is equal to 12. Have you understood this properly? How we have got the first equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what the question says, and 3 years ago. Now they are saying, and 3 years ago, he was 9 times as old as his son. So they are present again. I have formed in the form of chart. Man's present age was x, and the son's present age was y. So 3 years ago, what were their ages? X minus 3 and y minus 3. Okay. Now, according to question, what the question says, that 3 years ago, man's age means x minus 3 is equal to 9 times the son's age at that time, means 3 years ago. So 9 into y minus 3. So when you will simplify, you will get the second equation as x minus 9y is equal to minus 24. Okay. So we have got the first equation. Okay. And what was the first equation? X minus 3y is equal to 12. And what is the second equation? X minus 9y is equal to minus 24. So what I have done, I have just subtracted from equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay. So when you will do it, x and x will be cancelled and you will get 6y is equal to 36 or y is equal to 6. That means we have got the age of the sun, okay, as 6 years, and on substituting this value of y in equation number 1, okay, x minus 3y is equal to 12. So x is equal to, we have got 30 years, okay. That means we have got the age of father, okay. So present age of man is 30 years and present age of son is 6 years. Have you all understood, Papali?
Sir, please explain
Yes, sir.
once again.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Who is this boy? Arun?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Aruj.
Arun Raj Kohli.
Sir,
You're in which
Aruj.
section, beta?
Sir, D.
D. Okay. What have you not understood in this?
Sir, sir, why you have taken X and sir, why, sir?
X and Y, because sun and the man are different. We have to
No,
find the
sir.
ages of the two.
What is X, sir, and what is Y, sir?
I have taken the present ages I have written, beta. What I have written in the beginning, just read out. Just read out.
Sir, it is
Arun?
not. Sir, it is. Sir, now it is visible, sir.
Just tell me.
6 years hence, a
No.
man.
From the beginning, just read what I have written.
Let the present age of man equals to X years.
Okay. Now you have understood what is X.
Yes, sir.
The next line.
Sir, let the present age of sun be Y years.
Oh, is equal to Y. Yes. So have you understood what is Y?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Y, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me. What
Yes,
is Y?
sir. Sir, sun's age. Present
Sun's
age
age.
of sun.
Okay. And what is X? Present age of man. Okay. So anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, boys, it is the
Good
time
sir.
of you. Yes. Who is this?
Sir, ask one thing. Sir, Shreyansh.
Okay, Shreyansh.
Yes, sir. Like
Huh?
in division, it's written that 6y is equal to 36, sir. So can we cut
6Y.
36? Sir, like sir,
You
it
can
is
write, you can cancel directly. This is a simple calculation here. 6y is
no.
equal to 36. That means y is equal to 36 upon 6. You can proceed. And
So,
you can
sir,
directly write
Sir, can
y
we
is equal to 6.
cut it like sir? Can we cut it like this, sir?
You can cancel.
Sir,
Okay.
like this.
You can write, it is understood.
Sir, like
Because you are not in class 7.
Sir,
Just
like
show me. Yes, you have written. 1 minute. Let me see.
sir, this is written.
You are
Sir,
sharing the screen. Just show me.
sir, it is written 6y and 36.
You can cancel directly. Yes.
Cut 6
Whatever
like
you have written.
this.
Yes. You can cancel directly also. Because there is no other variable. And there in the form on the right hand side also, it is in the left hand side also, it is in the product form. So 6 into y it is written. And whenever it is the product form, on both the side, you can cancel the elements. Okay. You have done it correctly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now, I'm giving you a few questions. Just now, let me see how much you have understood. Okay. And this is the test of your intelligence also. At the same time, your speed also. Okay. Like question number one is, a chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and the second which is 25% acid. How much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters of a 40% acid solution? How can you proceed? Just show me the working on the screen. Okay. Just do it and let me see who can show me the working on the screen first. Okay. Are you able to see the question? Yes, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you all trying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone has framed the equations?
So once
Just tell me. Show me on the screen.
Sir,
Dhawan,
just scroll this. Sir, just scroll the screen little bit.
it is very clear. Huh?
Sir,
Are
I
you all
can't
able to
see.
see? Are you all able to see, boys?
Yes, sir.
yes.
When everybody is able to see, Dhaval, how can you not be able to see?
Sir, I could not see the 40%. Now I can see, sir.
Now you can see, na? Okay.
So I have framed the equations. Should I show you?
So I have done the
Parth
question.
Pandey. Okay, who is that? Who has done the question?
Sir, Harshit.
Kshitij. Harshit, sorry.
Sir, Harshit.
Harshit Arora. Okay. Just show me.
Yes, sir.
Share the screen, brother.
Yes, sir.
One minute. Correct. And the second equation, just scroll up. Scroll up, brother. Harshit.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Scroll up a little more. Scroll up more. Okay. What is the second equation you have got, by the way?
So second equation is of 50x plus 25y is equal to 400.
50x plus 25y is equal to 400. Absolutely correct. And what is the what is the answer, by the way?
So answer is 6 liters of 50% solution should be mixed with 4 liters of 25% solution.
Absolutely correct, Harshit. Very good. Congratulations. Very good, Bida.
Thank you, sir.
I am observing that you have framed the correct equation, okay, with the correct working. Anybody else? Master Agran Srivastav of 9C.
Yes, sir.
You are not showing any working. Why is it so?
Yes, sir. So should I
Just,
show?
yes, share the screen with me.
Yes, sir.
Acha, Parth Pandey is sharing the screen just now. 1 minute, let me see.
So the rest of the question is on the other page.
X is equal to 6. Actually, it is coming a little blood. Now, just focus. Bas. Absolutely correct, beta. Parth, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Agransh, just share the screen.
So my equation is not forming, sir.
And
So my equation is not forming, sir.
equation is not forming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just telling you as a hint. Okay.
Me, sir.
You can take, yes, who is that?
So Shreyansh.
Shreyansh.
Yes, sir. Sir, I formed the equations, but I'm not able
Show
to
me.
continue the question. The question, sir.
Continue the question. You have formed the equation. Now just share the screen. Let me see. Okay. X plus y is equal to 10. Correct, huh? And the second equation is 50x plus 25y is equal to 400. Absolutely correct. When you will proceed now, then you will get the answer also. That x will be coming as 6 and y will be coming as 4. That means 6 liters of 50% and 4 liters of 25% acid solutions should be mixed. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now, Agransh, what you will do, you will proceed like this. Suppose the x liters of 50%. One
Yes, sir.
minute. Dhaval Gar. Dhaval. हाँ. Yes, beta. Dhaval, bring the solution in a proper manner in front of a camera. Okay. 1 minute. Just 2y is equal to 7. You listen, you have 1 minute. Just let me see the equations, by the way. Equations were correct, but you are not able to proceed properly. I think so. Just scroll up. X plus y is equal to 10. This is the first equation, correct. And what was the second equation, by the way? Second equation. No, second equation. What was the second equation? No, this is not correct, beta. See, I am telling you, those who are not able to proceed, how you will proceed, just note it down. Okay. Agransh, you too.
Sir, can you please see my answer?
Huh? Yes. I'm just telling you, and many boys are showing with the correct working. Siddhant, Siddharth. Acha, Siddharth just and Devansh Trivedi. Beta, just rotate your answer. Who is this boy? Third one, Devansh. Just rotate.
Yes, sir.
Because it is coming in a horizontal manner. Yes, now it is correct. You have done it absolutely correct. Very good. You've got x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Absolutely correct. Very good. Okay, now I'm telling you boys how those boys who are not able to proceed in this question, like in what way you can do, like a chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and second is 25% acid. How much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution? That means there are two bottles, one is having 50% acid and another is having 25% acid, and you have to take a few liters from each bottle just to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution. So what you can do, you can take x liters of 50%, okay, and suppose y liters of 25% acid solution. That means you have taken x liters from first bottle, y liters from second bottle, and how much liters you have to make 10 liters. That means the first equation will be x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, have you understood this properly, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, because they are saying that 50% of x, okay, because your one is 50% acid, that means 50 you have taken x liters of what, 50% bottle, 50% acidic bottle, that means 50% of x, and second one you have taken the quantity as y liters, so 25% y is equal to, you got the solution 10 liters solution which is 40% acid, that means 40% of 10, so 50% of x plus 25% of y is equal to 40% of 10. Okay, so when you remove the percentage sign, that means 50% means what, 50 upon 100 into x plus 25 upon 100 into y is equal to 40 upon 100 into 10. And when you will simplify on, okay, you will get one equation, 50x plus 25y is equal to 400, because on both the sides 100 will be cancelled. Okay, so 50x plus 25y is equal to 400. And if you want to simplify further, suppose I want to cancel it by 2 on both the sides, all the terms. So 25 2s are 50, so you will get 2x, 25 1s are 25, so you will get 2x plus y, and 25 16s are 400 on the right hand side. So 2x plus y is equal to 16, you will get as a second equation. And when you will simplify these two equations, one is x plus y is equal to 10 and another is 2x plus y is equal to 16. Okay, you will get the answer as value of x as 6, okay, and value of y as 4. That means 6 liters of 50% acid solution and 4 liters of 25% acid solution are to be mixed to obtain 10 liters of 40% acid solution. Okay, have you understood this properly, boys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now who is that, by the way? Okay. Now I'm giving you one more question, boys. Most of the boys have shown the correct answer, okay, with the correct working. And especially I'm observing few boys, I am noticing down their name also. They are giving very good response. Now this is the second question in the sequence. This is very easy as compared to the first one. The result is 5 upon 6 when a 2-digit number is divided by the number which is with the digits reversed if the difference of the digits is 1. Okay, find the numbers. The result is 5 upon 6 when a 2-digit number is divided by the number with the digits reversed. This is the first, okay, information. If the difference of the digits is 1, find the numbers. Let me see who can do it first. This is similar to the problem which I have already discussed just now. Okay, when all the boys are sharing the screen together, then in case if I'm not able to take the name separately, then I give in the chat session, I especially mention them. Okay, are you all trying this, some boys? Yes, boys, anybody has done? Yes, boys.
Sir, done.
Done. Who is that?
Sir, Harshit.
Acha, Harshit Arora. Okay. Yes, Harshit, beta.
Yes, sir. So sure.
Just share the screen. Okay, what is the first equation, by the way? Just show me.
So x minus y is equal to 1 is the equation 1.
Okay. And second equation, just
So
listen.
55x. Yes, sir.
Beta, just show me. Just I am able to very small portion. I am able to see. Just bring the whole face in the camera. Yes, first equation is correct, and second equation is
So 55x minus 44y.
55x minus 44y is equal to 0. Okay, and what is the answer, by the way?
So answer is y is equal to -5, x is equal to 6.
And what is the final answer, by the way?
So it's -65.
-65. Acha. -65. Okay. Any other answer you are getting?
No, sir.
No. That means you have forgotten the word Harshit. It is not correct. A little mistake is there. I told you this type of question just now. Who will tell me the what is the important thing which I told you in the beginning in these type of questions? If
So I have
anybody
to solve the
remembers,
other part also, so by keeping the other number
by
greater.
keeping the other number greater,
Yes.
yes. This is the very good. Just tell me what is the other number by the way? One number you are getting as 65, no? You are
Yes, sir.
saying. Okay, and
So
what is the
-65.
-65 you are getting? Okay,
Yes, sir.
and just solve by the other number also, by
Yes,
the
sir.
other way.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Dashmesh Deep Singh from section 9D. So there is a lot of
Okay.
network problem in my area. So can
But I can't
I
do
leave the
actually.
meeting?
Huh? Okay, you can if you want.
Sir,
Yes.
So I have done.
Okay, who is that by the
So
way?
I am presenting.
Okay,
Sir,
Dhawal.
sir,
Savalkar.
Very good. Dhawal is
Sir,
very
actually
active.
5 to 10
And
seconds.
Devansh
sir,
Trivedi, very good. 1 minute. 45 and 45. Absolutely correct. You have got one number, 45, which is absolutely correct. Very
Yes.
good. Both the boys are really doing very well. Dhawal and this Devansh, beta, you are in which section?
Sir,
in
9D.
9C.
One is in C and one is in D. Very good. Very good, boys. And excellent working also. Very, very, very clear. Very good. But one thing, one number is 45 and another number is -45.
Yes, sir.
See, if you are getting one number as in the form of negative, when you will take one equation in which you will take, because over here it is given the difference of the digit is 1. So once you will take, suppose x is greater than y, you have taken, then you will write x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. And if you will take y as greater digit, then you will write y minus x is equal to 1. That means you will get in that case the equation as x minus y is equal to -1. So when you will simplify accordingly, you will get the two numbers. Okay. So this is the beauty. Actually, most of the time I've seen the boys do only, they find only one answer, only one number, but in these type of questions, whenever the difference of the digits is given, there is a possibility of the two numbers. So always try to find the second number also. Okay, one number is 45, other is -45. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
these two boys have really impressed. Very good. And not only these two, but there are many others also, those who have shown the correct working. Okay, now I'm giving the last question of today's meeting, and then you will try. You are already going to get one day as a holiday in the form of Sunday. So you will try the questions, and in case if you face any difficulty, then you can discuss. Okay, like the last question is, A says to B, I am twice as old as you were when I was as old as you are. If the sum of their present ages is 49 years, find their present ages. You have to show the working.
So can you please show the question?
Is it not visible on the screen?
Yes,
Is it visible, boys?
yes, sir. Now is it visible?
Okay. So I'm giving you 5 Are you trying?
Sir, I can't understand the sentence in quotes.
Sentence, that is the beauty of framing. A says to B, I am twice as old as you were when I was as old as you are. Okay. This question can be done only by the intelligence. Okay, those who are fully focusing and concentrating on the language. Or should I give you the hint, boys?
Please give the hint.
You have surrendered so fast. Who is that? Shreyansh Mishra. Beta, you have surrendered just within a span of 30 or 20 seconds only.
Please wait, sir.
Do it. And Master Agransh, I'm not able to hear your voice.
Sir, doing, sir.
Do it. Yes, boys, still you are trying?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. One.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Still trying.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I've made my first equation, sir. Can you check? Sir,
See, for your help, I'm telling you one equation. Okay, if the sum of their present ages is 49 years, suppose the present age of X A is X years, present age of B is Y years, so X plus Y is equal to 49. This is a big help I have given you. Now solve, make the second equation yourself.
Sir, give hint of the second
I
one.
understand second only. The second one is difficult.
Sir, I've done.
Okay, who is that, by the way?
So Divyansh.
Just a minute. Divyansh, okay, just a minute. Yes, Divyansh. What are the ages coming, by the way?
Sir, A's age is 36 years and B's age is 27 years.
But maybe 36 and 27. If you'll add these two, what is the sum, by the way? $63. And as per the question says, the sum is 49 years. That means it is not correct.
Sir, is the age of B 32 years?
No, not at all.
Sir, is the answer is B's age is 14 and A's age is 28?
No, 14 and 28 if you'll make na, Then 8 and 4, 12. And 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4, 42. The sum is coming 42. It is also not correct. But you have to show the working. Main thing is that I don't want only the answer. Like only one boy has shared the screen just now. Might be his answer is not correct, but he has done the efforts. It is clear. And I want to see your efforts. Main thing is that. Divyansha. Very good. He is making the effort. And Dhaval is also making good effort. And Harshit, yes.
Sir, is the second equation of my correct?
Sir,
Sir,
Dhaval,
2x minus.
what is?
The
Acha, I'm
second
giving you a
equation.
hint, boys. Listen. I'm just giving you a hint related to this question. Listen it carefully first, okay? Because I know that you are not able to proceed, okay? Just listen it carefully because I will tell you how to frame the equation only, okay? And afterward, it will be the speed round who will solve it first, okay? Just are you ready with the pen and paper?
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose the present ages of A and B are X and Y. Written?
Yes, sir.
Then one equation is already clear. If the sum of the present age is 49 years, so X plus Y is equal to 49. This is the one equation. Okay? This is the first equation. This is one of the equations. Now read the first line. What is the first line? That A says to B, I am twice as old as you were. Means he's talking about some past unknown time. Past unknown time. Okay. I am means he's talking about his present age. Twice as old as you were. You were means he's talking about the past age of B. Okay. So what I have written, what you can do, suppose that past time about which he's talking. Okay. You can take it as a third variable. Okay. Suppose T years back. He's talking about T years back. Okay. So T years back, what will be the ages of A and B? If present age of A is X years, present age of B is Y years. So what will be the ages T years back? Just tell me.
X minus
Sir,
T
X
and
minus
Y
T and
minus
Y
T.
minus
Y
T.
minus T.
A was X minus T and B was Y minus T. T years back. Now go through the question once again. Now what question says that A says to B, I am. Means A is talking about his present age. I am means X is equal to, okay, twice as old as you were. X is equal to twice means 2 times, 2 into. As old as you were means Y minus T. Okay, means he's talking about the past age of Y of B, which is T years back. Okay, I have taken that unknown time as T. So X is equal to 2 times Y minus T. Okay, this is the one equation. This is X is equal to 2 times Y minus T. Now read the second line. When I was, because A is saying the complete sentence, so it is saying in the second sentence, in the continuation after comma, when I was means A is talking about his past age. Okay, past age means T years ago. So that means X minus T. Okay, X minus T. When I was means X minus T as old as you are is equal to the present age of B. As old as you are means he's talking that whatever was my past age is equal to your present age. That means X minus T is equal to Y. This is the second equation, and the third equation was already X plus Y is equal to 49. Okay. So first equation is X is equal to 2 times Y minus T. Second equation is X minus T is equal to Y. And third equation is X plus Y is equal to 49. So what you can do from either this X is equal to 2Y, 2 times Y minus T, or x minus t is equal to y, you can eliminate y. Okay, you can substitute the value of, like if I take this equation x minus t is equal to y, I can write x minus y is equal to t. Okay, x minus y is equal to t. If I will write x minus y is equal to t, and if I substitute this value in the first equation, then I will get x is equal to 2 times y minus in bracket x minus y again. So you will get that equation x is equal to 2 times y minus x plus y. That means x is equal to 2y, 2 times 2y minus x. That means x is equal to 4y minus 2x. That means 3x is equal to 4y. Okay, you will get after solving these two. Okay, after solving these two equations in terms of t, when you will solve it, then you will get one more equation, 3x is equal to 4y, and when you will write x is equal to, from here 3x is equal to 4y, x is equal to 4y upon 3, and when you will substitute this value in the equation x plus y is equal to 49, x plus y is equal to 49, you will get the value of x as 28 and y is 21 years. 28 and 21, okay, whose sum is 49. Okay, so try this sum once again. 28 and 21. Yes, one boy has done. Om Agrawal. Okay, just show me share the screen, beta.
Sharing it, sir.
Shashwat Pandey, it is not. Acha, Vishesh Jaswal. Vishesh, beta, just scroll. Just rotate the screen, beta. Rotate the screen. Yes, just let me see. 1 minute. Keep the copy in a stable manner. Okay. A is 23 and 21. What have you written? A is
28 and 14 is the answer.
28 and 21.
Yes,
1 minute, just scroll up the
28.
screen. No, you don't rotate. Scroll up the screen.
Yes, sir, 28 and 20.
28 and 21.
Yes.
Okay. A's age and B's age. No, it is not by method of substitute. Like you are taking method of assumption. If we put 26 and 28, no, it is not the correct method, beta.
Okay,
You have to frame the equation.
yes.
Not by hit and trial method. This is a proper process. Okay. Please switch off your mics because too much voice is coming. Shashwat Pandey, beta. Just share the screen. It is not clear. No. Just. Okay. Now present. No, you have. I am not able to see. Just listen. It is not coming in the frame. Zoomed out actually. Okay, now boys, I have to
Sir?
take another session. Yes, beta. Just show me the answer in the next meeting. Okay. Devansh Trivedi, just show me. 98 upon 5 years. No, this is not correct. Okay. So you will try
sir?
this sum. Yes, Who is that?
Sir, I just wanted to ask Sir Parth Pandey.
Yes, Parth Pandey.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you, sir, that what all work do we have to do in our classwork copies for maths?
Listen, whatever are the exercises given in your textbook, na beta? Just
Yes, sir.
solve the questions. Okay, you have to
Okay, so
solve
all the questions.
not only from your textbook only. Okay, but you have to solve the question from other reference books also. If you've got the test papers, you can solve questions from anywhere. Listen, when you are coming in class 9th standard or 10th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, okay, you have to just keep in your mind that topics are taught, not the particular questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you should
Yes,
be
sir.
ready. Questions should be given from anywhere. So please
Yes, sir.
solve the questions. Okay. Now, beta, I have to conduct
Okay,
the
sir.
meeting, another meeting just now. Okay. It was supposed
Okay,
to
sir.
be ended at 12:10, but I have taken, now it is 12:44. That means I have taken 34 minutes extra. Okay. More than half an hour.
Okay. Thank you.
Because for you,
Sir,
it
1
was
hour
the last
meeting.
class. But I am very happy that boys are giving very quick response. Okay, and I hope that you will continue. And I want more boys to share the screen and to do the sum. Okay, if you'll always sit with a pen and paper and try to solve, and after the meeting, just proceed and make the efforts to do the sum. Okay, in case if you are able, if you are facing any difficulty, okay, then try. Whatever number of attempts you make, uh, then you will get the perfection in the field. Okay, that's
Yes.
all, boys. Okay,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you and God bless you. Leave the meeting now. I have to
Thank you,
conduct
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
leave the meeting, boys.